I used to be a service person myself. One time I got a $0 tip because I forgot that the people were there. I did. I really did. I was in the back eating a chicken quesadilla, and I completely forgot that they were there. And I didn't deserve anything. They left a $0 tip, and then they wrote on the letter where the tip would be, said, "You should quit." And they were right. They were right. And I actually didn't quit. I got fired. So it worked out very well.